Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk hair today. Specifically, something that's been a game changer for many women looking to boost their hair growth. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, you're probably familiar with the search for effective treatments. But what if a trusted solution could fit seamlessly into your daily routine? I'm talking about the NUTRI-OX 2% Minoxidil for women, a topical hair regrowth treatment designed to restore fuller, thicker hair. And if this sounds like something you're looking for, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and let's dive right in. The NUTRI-OX 2% Minoxidil is a topical serum formulated specifically for women to help promote hair regrowth. It contains 2% minoxidil, the only FDA-approved ingredient for regrowing hair, making it one of the most reliable treatments available on the market. What's even better? It's unscented, fragrance-free, and color-safe, making it a great option for women who want an effective solution without worrying about unnecessary scents or potential damage to their colored hair. It's a 1-month supply with 2 fluid ounces. And the best part, this treatment is meant to be easy to incorporate into your daily beauty regimen. When I first started using the NUTRI-OX serum, I was really impressed by how easy it was to apply. The liquid form comes in a dropper bottle, so you can apply it directly to the scalp without any mess. I applied it once a day, as instructed, to the areas where I noticed thinning. There's no strong scent, which I appreciated because some hair products can have overpowering fragrances. The serum itself feels lightweight, almost like a water-based gel, and absorbs fairly quickly into the scalp without leaving any sticky residue. I was able to continue with my regular routine right after application without feeling like it was interfering with my other products. I gave it about a month of consistent use to see the results. Over time, I noticed a subtle difference. The regrowth was gradual, but what stood out to me was how my hair felt fuller and healthier. Of course, results can vary, and not everyone will experience the same outcome. But in my case, I did notice the difference. There wasn't any irritation or flaking from the serum, which can sometimes be a concern with minoxidil-based treatments. I really liked how gentle it felt on my scalp, and there wasn't any buildup either, which is key when you're looking for a product to use daily. Now, like any product, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the NUTRI-OX serum is easy to use, has no fragrance, and is formulated to be gentle on the scalp, which is a huge plus for sensitive skin. It also has the active ingredient that has been clinically proven to stimulate hair regrowth, making it a reliable option for hair thinning. The packaging is also quite straightforward. Nothing fancy, but functional. On the flip side, some may find the price a bit high for a 1-month supply, especially when other minoxidil products are available at a lower price point. Also, while the results are promising, this isn't a quick fix solution. It's a gradual process, which can be a bit discouraging if you're looking for instant results. That being said, the product is effective if used as directed, and the key is consistency. So, does this product provide good value for money? For sure, but only if you're committed to a long-term hair regrowth plan. The results I experienced definitely justify the price in my opinion, but if you're looking for something more affordable, there are other options with similar active ingredients that can give you similar benefits. Speaking of alternatives, there are other minoxidil-based treatments available on the market at various price points, but I find NUTRI-OX to be a solid choice because it's specifically designed for women. Some competitors may be cheaper, but they may not offer the same level of consideration for sensitive skin and color-treated hair, so keep that in mind. Now, as for build quality, nothing really stands out as premium or cheap here. The dropper bottle does the job well, and the formula itself is effective. There isn't any unnecessary packaging, which I appreciate, and the 2 fluid size lasts a good month if used properly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I also have to mention customer service. It's been great. NUTRI-OX has a solid reputation for supporting their customers with any questions or concerns, so if you do need help, you can expect a positive experience. Let's wrap it up. NUTRI-OX 2% Minoxidil for women is a reliable choice for women looking to combat thinning hair or hair loss. It's gentle, easy to use, and it works over time. While it may not deliver overnight results, the gradual regrowth it provides is a nice trade-off for those willing to put in the time. If you're dealing with hair thinning, this is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did you experience regrowth, or was your experience different? Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.